Hello, and welcome to Discover the Villages with Jana Raber. Thank you so much for all the nice comments about our 100th episode. We are now working toward our second 100th episode. A couple streets over, we didn't even know that neighbors had this unbelievable Halloween display. So I know Halloween's over, but we're going to show you about 30 seconds of that, and we're going to try next year to go around and capture some of the really neat Halloween displays.
You distracted me. Why don't you fly off and phone somebody else?
Oh, sir, I put their bodies under the ground.
So we're going to have to work on your attire a bit. But your face was made for Halloween.
So let's get started. And we'll start with, what do I get for my money? I actually sold that house to a client of mine, Joe, and just let me tell you, if you're in the area of Salmon Way, you are gonna love him. He is such a hoot. Congratulations, Joe. You've got a beautiful home, and I hope you're very, very happy there. Let's take a peek at our MLS stats for the week of October 30th through November 6th. This week, we've had 44 sold, and last week we had 29. Pending, 34. Last week we had 32. New listings, 44. Last week, 31. Price reduced, 54.
We're here. Last week, 36. Last week, 36. Hey, buddy, you're late again. I'm not late. You're always late, every week. I'm always late.
I think he is always late. So active houses on the market last week was 335, and this week, 338. Our stats are looking fabulous. Back at Pisano's, and we're here with our neighbors, Pat and Jeff. It's very busy because it's fabulous. Well, Cameraman is getting his normal pasta arrabbiata, and Pat and Jeff are going to split a large mini cup pepperoni pizza, and I am going to have Pisano's Supreme personal pizza. We just got served our rolls, and they are very garlicky, cheesy, and they are delicious. Just arrived. Look at my pizza. It looks fabulous. All that Italian sausage and everything. And Cameraman's arrabbiata. Looks good. Look at this. Wow. That looks fabulous. I understand those pepperonis are special because they're
Mini cups.
Mini cups. Yep. They look great. This is very good. got lots and lots of stuff on it. Meat, mushrooms, green peppers, pepperoni.
Very good.
Jeff, how do you like yours?
Well, I'm enjoying the pepperoni pizza. It's one of our favorites. Very good, as usual, as expected.
Pat?
Pizza is very good. I'm going to help myself to another piece. Mine has plenty of pepperoni on it. Very good.
Okay, I have a clean plate. I enjoyed the pizza. It could have been cooked a little more. The crust was a little bit soft, which I don't like as much, but it was good. I'll give it a 9. It was very good, but like I said, the crust was not as done as I like. Cameraman, what do you think? So, Jeff, what did you think?
Well, it's as expected and very good. And we would have any hesitation coming back, as we usually do. Very good.
Mine was very good. I got the clean plate award. I didn't have any left, although Jeff and I are going to take 2 pieces home for the freezer, and that way we can have it another time for dinner. Very good. I give it a 10 out of 10.
Awesome. This is on right off of Morse, near the Rohan Recreation Center. And so whether you live north or south, it's very convenient to get here. Now, let's see what we've got for House of the Week. Welcome to 5556 Malachite Terrace. We're in the village of Finney, and this is a 3-2 Alamanda, and let's go in and see what it looks like. Oh, this driveway and walkway are really nice. I've never seen anything like this before, and they've got little lights all along. That is cool. The landscaping is very nice too. Very clean and well done. This is a very nice area, perfect to have chairs out here and have your coffee. Oh wow, this seems spacious. I like the oil rubbed handles and all, and they've brought that through in the kitchen with the faucets and all of the hardware. It's nice. This is granite, very colorful, a lot of movement, and you've got plenty of cabinets, gas cooking, and this is convectional. Oh, that looks fancy. It's a good size. Tile floor in here. You have room for at least 4 bar stools here. And this area here is for your dining table. So you have living room dining combination. And then here is another room, which can be used as a den. Be perfect for watching TV or reading or whatever you want to do. Lots of light from the windows. These windows are tinted, so they seem a little dark. All of these shades are remote controlled. Makes it very handy. And let's go out here and see what we've got. Oh, it's a nice size screened lanai here. You've got some shading over here from the neighbor's trees. And you've got a nice little area out here for your grill or sitting out in the sun, whatever. It's good size. This home I noticed has gutters all the way around. That's nice. Let's go in and check out the bedrooms. Let's go check out the main bedroom. This is split floor plan. You've got the 2 guest rooms and bath over here, and you've got a pantry here. I forgot to show you earlier. And the laundry room is here. Good size, and you've got cabinets up above. You have granite in here as well. Let's go ahead and look at the garage while we're here. Oh my goodness. Look, they ran this. Boy, I bet this was expensive to do. This is very nice. Even has the little lights running here. You have a water softener here, and you have a tankless water heater. And you've got a storage area right here. That is really nice. This cute little golf cart, I don't think this comes with it because it has a for sale sign on it. That's adorable. Now let's go see the main bedroom, which is right here off the utility room. This is a good sized bedroom. Once again, you've got the shades that are automatic. You have a pocket door for privacy here and dual closets. I like that feature. Water closet with a window to let in light. Double vanity, that pretty granite again. Lots of cabinets. And look at this beautiful stone shower. With a seat. I like it. Let's go check out the guest area. And it's got my favorite pocket door for privacy. Front bedroom here. All 3 bedrooms have closets. Once again, you've got automatic shades. There's a linen closet here, right outside the bath. It's a good size. And the guest bath is tiled, bathtub combination. It's got the block window for light. Nice vanity. You have bedroom number 3. It's a little bit larger. Good sized closet. Well, there's certainly plenty of space. It's got vaulted ceilings, which makes it seem very nice, light and airy. Lots of space. To sum up this lovely Alamanda, it is in the village of Finney. It's 1,559 square feet, built in 2017, 3 bedroom, 2 bath. It does have solar panels that helps with the electric, and they will be paid off at closing. And it has beautiful brick pavers, even up in the garage. And it can be purchased for, here's your turn to guess, $400,000. There is a bond. If you have interest, you can call, text, or email me. I'll be happy to show it to you. We're on Bonita Pass Executive Course, and it's a gorgeous night. We're on hole number 2, which is 149 from the black and 101 from the gold. They've moved these up. This used to be back there and they were about 126. We've already done holes 1, 3, and 8, so we're starting on 2, and it is a little bit of a challenge. Don't think I made it. Oh well. Well, I didn't quite get on, but at least I'm not in the water. Uh-oh, I scalded it. Ay. It wouldn't do for me to start off with a par. Gorgeous sunset. Wow. And it's coming a lot quicker. We're on hole 4. It is a par 3. It is 176 from the black, and it's 122 from the gold. And there's a couple little things to dodge. Well, I didn't go toward the hole, but at least I'm not wet. This course is very picturesque. Uh-oh. You've got that bunker there, which I just skimmed out of. And you've got this big depression right here and the water over there, so it is a little tricky. Ah, where are you going? Seems like 4 is my lucky number tonight. A little different. You've got villas on the other side of the street, but you've got a great golf course view. What a bonus. And there's all kinds of different houses. There's designers here. It looks like there are some more villas on that side. Very nice. I love this time of day when the reflections in the pond. And straight up the hill there is our neighborhood pool, Penny Camp. It's 5:30 of the evening. It is 78 degrees, no wind, perfect for playing golf. This is hole number 5. It's 155 from the black, 133 from the gold. And obviously you have a little objects in your way up here. It's really nice though because you play all the way around this pond, so you've always got a view of it. I like that. This course doesn't have a par 4 on it, but it's very enjoyable. I'm happy. I ran over the back just a tad. Woo! I'll take it. What a good way to finish. Did holes 2, 4, and 5, all par 3s, and we have yet to do 6, 7, and 9 on another day. I'm ready for dinner. With the holidays approaching, it's always a really special time in the villages. We'll have lighting of the Christmas tree, lighting of the menorah, parades, all sorts of fun things, and we're going to try to get to as many of those and video them as possible. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and thank you for all those that do press that like button when I tell you to. So, and if you're coming down, don't forget, get in touch with me. I find people houses all the time from calls and from them watching my videos. And if you've got a house to sell, I have lots of buyers that probably would be interested in yours. So thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time. Until then, bye. Ceilings are very nice. It makes it feel much spacious. Oh my God! So a couple of streets over, no, I didn't pause.